Just leave the camera at the end. Put it on the floor and leave it at the end.
Okay,
just leave it at the end.
Wind the torch up for me.
You need a holiday. You need a job. Can't you see?
Yeah. Who's in there? You two seem to be getting along quite well. Sharing your bag. It's good. No fighting now. James, come look at this.
No, it's my house and leave it alone.
Who lives there?